Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Why Cool Academy. Today we are going to be making some pancakes. So let's get started. So first you crack the egg and you need a bowl. So crack the egg. You can crack it, and when it's like this, you just crack it open, pour it in. And make sure make sure the shell isn't inside, because then it would just be bad. And your hands get dirty, so it doesn't matter. Next, we have 3/4 of flour, and we have 3/4 of a cup of flour that we're gonna pour in, and 3/4 of a cup of milk, and then we add 1 tablespoon of oil, then we add 1 teaspoon of 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract to make it flavor. And last of all, we do orange zest. So I like to do this until you can see the actual oranges. This might take some time. It's good to put the orange zest around the bowl instead of one place, because even though you're going to mix it, it's still good to put it all around the bowl. And as you can see the oranges inside, so that means it's enough. And now we start mixing it. And you hold the bowl. I'd say you should mix it at level 3. You can see the flour coming out, but it's not a big deal. So when the batter becomes a little thick, that means it's ready. But now you can see it's not as thick, so we need to mix it more. And now it's thick. See, look how it's dropping. Okay. And that's it. So now we get the batter to the pan. Now, before we put it in, we have to wet it. We have to wet the pan. We have to wet the pan because we don't want the batter to overheat, so we have to cool it down. And now, with one hand, we pour the batter in, I like to do it with 2 hands because you have more control. Try to pour it in the center, like that, and like here, something like that. And it doesn't matter if you get your hands dirty because you don't want it dripping, so you just clean this off. And what I like to do after I do that, I like to wash my hands. Okay. And when you know when to flip the pancake, you'll notice bubbles popping. So it takes about 2 1 or 2 minutes to flip it. So it takes time. But as you can see right now, the bubbles are just coming up. So it takes time. And if you look at it, lots of bubbles are coming up, and that one, they're popping. Usually I flip it when all of them, like almost all of them popped. So yeah, it's gonna take time. But usually when the bubbles are like gone and you flip it, then the other side becomes golden brown. Almost ready. Okay. I think just 10 more seconds should do it. Actually, nah, probably. Yeah, now would be a good time. And now we flip it. Now it's a nice golden brown. And now when you flip it on this side, it takes about 30 seconds. Okay. So we just wait. For this side, you don't see anything, you just have to go with your own guts. I like to do for 30 seconds. So I think I'm gonna flip it now. And I always like to check it, so I flip it again. And that side is underbaked, so we'll just, yeah, it's actually fine. Okay, one pancake done. I think we can do better, but if you don't know why we added the orange zest, it's not here. Here, see, look. We added the orange zest to make it add flavor, right there. See it? Okay, now we are going to make our second pancake. Okay, and again, we'll just pour it in. Oh, I forgot the water. Sorry, guys. And this is gonna be our last pancake, even though we have more batter. But usually when it's your last pancake, you like to scoop all of the batter. But since this is our last one, we're not gonna do that because we can make more. Now we're just gonna wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off. And then I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. While this is baking, you can try like to eat your first pancake just to, it's delicious. So, the vanilla extract adds lots of flavor. So does the orange zest. And, oh, I did not realize. Okay, now we flip it. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, nice golden brown. Okay. So we do this to pass time. Okay, so now, just to make time go faster, we're gonna push it a little bit, very softly. Okay, I think it's ready. Yep, it's ready. Okay, that's it for today, guys. And until next time, goodbye.